Guys, welcome to new video. This video is going to be very special for you. This accident can happen to you often. During a fight, someone can twist your arm like this and bully you. In this situation, guys, how to defend yourself within a second, we will teach you in this video. If you want to learn proper this technique, then don't miss any part of this technique. So let's start. If an enemy twists your arm like this way, so step number 1, look, he twists your arm on this way, and you also twist your body from back side on the same way like this. This way the pain in your arm will be reduced little, look from the back side, but your arm still under his control. Then step number 2, you will immediately grab his neck like this with your other hand. When he try to resist here, then you will immediately bring your arm under his arm like this way and grab his hair and push him down, throw him down like this. Guys, now we'll show you this technique from the side angle so you can understand better. 1, 2, 2, 3, and a 4. Guys, this technique was a very different technique from the other techniques, and if you have any hurdle to learn this technique, then tell us must in comment box. So guys, if you want to learn more interesting videos, then subscribe our channel, share a video. Thank you.